guys, it's your boy TJ Party 239 back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami heart box out of a square piece of paper. So what's cool about this heart box? It's a heart, right, and it opens up, right? But if you cut it out a little note, like I said, hi, right? So I'm just gonna slide this note in. Let's see if this works. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this note in, and it'll close it right. It'll close it right up, and then hi. So yeah, let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So first thing you need to do is you're gonna need to fold the paper in half. Make sure your creases are really tight. Okay. And now once you do that, all you have to do is open it up, and then fold this side right here up to this side. So let's do that. Okay. So once you do that, you just gotta crease it. Okay. Now once you crease it, all you have to do is open it. Now this corner right here up to this corner. So. Also, guys, sorry that I'm air folding. I know you're not supposed to do that, but like, I feel more comfortable air folding. Okay, so now as soon as you do that, all you have to do is you're gonna open it, and then this point right here to this point right here. Make sure you crease it really well. Okay, so once you have this right here. Hopefully you guys can see my little lines. Okay, so now what you do is you're gonna get this line right here, this point right here, and fold it to the middle. That's the best that you can. Should be exact if you made it fold correctly. Okay, and then turn around. So like do the same thing for all the corners. Make sure they're really good creases. Okay, so then turn it over and just make your creases a little bit better. Okay, so now it should look like this. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it all out, right? So now get this part right here, fold it up here, like so. This part up here, so right here, up to this point. Let me show you guys this. So this point right here to this little line right there, and then crease it really good. Okay, then what you do that's turn it over, do the same thing. Okay, so now once you've done that, all you have to do is flip it over, crease it, do the same thing over here, flip it over, and then crease it. So it should look like this. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this side right here to the middle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right here, up here. So I'm just going to do to the middle. Make sure the creases are as good as you can make them, and then crease. Okay, now once you do that, turn over, same thing, this side to this side. Okay, now turn over, crease it. So it should look like this. Okay, so now once you've done that, so do you see this line right here, the middle line? So what you're going to do is you're going to get this line, you're going to put your hand right here, and you're going to pull up and fold on that line. So just fold on that line. So like, yeah. Okay. Crease it again. I'll show it again for you. So just fold up. Yep. Make sure it's on that line. And now do the same thing over here. Turn it over. Okay. So it should look like this, because these points are at the crease. Okay, now once you've done that, just plop it down. So once it's plopped down, it should look something like this. Now just turn it over. Okay, now get this corner, fold it to the middle. Okay. Now do the same thing over here. Get this corner, fold it to the middle. Okay, so once it's folded into the middle, I'll do it again for you guys. This corner, middle, this corner, middle. Sorry guys, you really can't see the lines very well. Next time I'll use like different piece of paper. But okay, so once time you do that, now get this corner right here, fold it to the middle. So this corner to the middle. Hopefully you guys got that. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to just get this side right here, just fold it up upwards. So this side, right here. So it should look like this. So now do the same thing over here. Okay, so right here, fold up on the crease. Same thing, same deal over here. Fold up on the crease. So make sure you're folding up on the crease. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna plop it down. Same thing as last time. Now fold these corners to the middle. Make sure you crease them really well. Okay, now this corner, this point to the middle. Okay, and then this side right here, up here. So now it should look like this. So now what you're going to do is you're gonna get the right side. You're just gonna fold it over to the left side, and it should look like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this point right here. You're just gonna fold that inwards. Yep. So just fold it inwards like this. Okay, so now once you fold it inwards, so do you see this point right here? Just gonna fold it in just little tiny bits, the best that you can. See? This might be complicated, but I think you guys can do it. So make sure you crease it. Now open this tiny point right here. Now you're just gonna do this. Open it up. Just gonna plop that tiny point down. Just plop it down. Yes. Make sure it's plopped down. Once you do that, it should go into a little shape like this. But now I'll show you guys again though. Just plop it down, crease it, open it back up, and do that and that. So it should look something like this. Make sure you crease it though. Okay, so now once you've done that, just open it up a little bit, and crease it. So it should look like this. See how it's kind of heart shaped? Okay, so now do the same thing over here. Turn over. This point up here. Now, this point make it a little like kind of small. Put it inwards, kind of small. Okay, so this to crease it, open it up, open these little flaps up, fold it down, just fold it down. Okay, so it should look like this, and now you have your heart box. So I'm gonna take the little note from here and put it in here. So you can be like to two friends at school, "Hi guys," and they'll be like, "Ha ha ha." So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends. And I will see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.